Alright, I just want to kind of make a quick video, or I'm going to try and make it quick, to show you how we got to here. So, I started shooting my YouTube videos on my GoPro 7 Silver, which when you're right up on top of it, it still takes phenomenal pictures, the voice is okay, but as soon as you get a couple feet away from it, not very good. Of course, I'm shooting this and I'm still using my phone, not using the GoPro, but we can't use the GoPro and talk about it. And I don't want to use that because I want that in the shot to show you. So anyways, here's what we did. We wanted to get better audio quality out of that. So a lot of people said to use your microphone that they're compatible with the GoPro. Well, nobody really knew that I had the GoPro 7 Silver. And unfortunately for me, I didn't do a whole lot of research. I just seen that people said this works on the 7. Even though it doesn't have 7 on here, but there's tons of reviews on Amazon said it does work on the 7. So I bought this. This showed up first. And I was all excited that I got this. And I got this, which is the cage adapter for the 7. I finally got my microphone. So this was like $67. This was like $18 on Amazon. And then I got this on Amazon. I actually got this used. It was like new on Amazon for $100. So these on Amazon are like 170 bucks. So I got this like new for $100. And I wasn't going to buy anything used. I never have on Amazon. And when I was talking to my cousin, I asked him what he thought, just to get his opinion on it. He said, what's the difference between buying something used on Amazon versus eBay? The only difference is on eBay, if it shows up and it's junk, it's a lot harder to get your money back. This, you return it to Amazon, get your $100 back. This thing showed up brand spanking new. The box still had the seal on it. Everything still had the plastic, that you peel off of everything. None of the cables were opened up. They were all still these factory seals on them. And so I think somebody just ordered it, decided they didn't want it, changed their mind and sent it back. And it went in the used bin. And so I got an awesome deal on that. I hook everything up. Doesn't work on the silver. This freaking thing, I'm telling you, the battery doesn't come out, it gets hot, there's no support for it, and of all the GoPros that they make, this one, nothing works on it. So at that point, now I'm pissed. So now I have all of this with a GoPro that doesn't work. So we turned to eBay. I found a GoPro 11 new old stock, still in the box. While I was looking, and I came across this, there was 5 minutes left on the bidding. So I watched it get down to 45 seconds, and in about 30 seconds, I put my bid in, max bid of $170. I ended up picking this up for $152.73. Brand new, still in the box. So I could not pass that up, obviously. So now I got a decent GoPro that now my microphone and my mic is going to work on. And so I ended up ordering this cage for $20. And this cage is okay. It's very minimalist. But the issue is this wire hanging out. That sucks. And I just didn't want to deal with the wire. Also, after watching videos on this one, how it gets hot, and learning how to stop that from happening, covering up the bottom and not using the feet that are on it and opening it up where there's little vents in there to let the heat dissipate is not good. And that will make it overheat because these are action cameras. They're supposed to be moving and having wind going over them to keep them cool. But when you're shooting like I do, that's not happening. So you're either shooting in 1080 at 30 or 24 frames per second, or you're only shooting for 20-minute video. Thing's going to get hot and shut off using it like this with a hot adapter underneath it, just adding heat to it. So now I got, this was $67. This was $20. So we're into this for $90. and then I found the media mod, which I didn't even find it. It's just, I knew it existed. I just knew it didn't work with that one. And then it popped back up on my Amazon Prime because I looked at it and it said maybe you should reconsider something you've already looked at. Well, I got this thing for, I think on Amazon Prime Day, Friday, I think it was like $65 or something like that. Like normally like $89.99. Brand new, the media mod. So this is going back and this is going back. Because the other issue with this is with these cold feet or the cold shoe mounts and where the button is to open this thing sits all cocked on the top, and if I put it on the side, the wire you need to run it around, so I just didn't want all these big ass wires hanging off. Anyways, so that's going back. Now we got the media mod with the microphone, which this mic I've been testing works way better than the actual factory mic on the GoPro. So we got the GoPro now, and we got that. Microphone works with it, so that's awesome. We got that mounted there. And then the light, we got this on eBay used. Things brand spanking new. Came in the box. I mean, it's not. It's obviously used, but whoever bought it must not have really used it. It is super duper bright. I mean, I'm not going to turn it all the way up, but so we got a light now on that. I paid $15 for this on eBay. That was the buy it now price. So I got a great deal on that. That just showed up last night in the mail. And then we got the $20 UU rig. I probably hope that's how you say it. But this thing's awesome. Extends out to, I think, like 54 inches or so. Pretty tall. And, yeah, so just wanted to show off the new setup and just kind of go over some of the pricing of what it cost to get to this point. So we went from an old camera that we've had. I tried just updating or upgrading the microphone situation on it just to give a little bit better audio. So I was fully prepared to do the 150 or whatever into the microphone, the cage for it, and the mic adapter. None of that worked on it. So now we are, what, 152. We're another 65, another 100. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're committed to this channel now. So we're going to be coming out with some better quality content as far as the video goes anyways. As far as anybody wants to watch it, that's to be seen. But either way, just wanted to show you the new setup. If you wouldn't mind commenting, liking, and subscribing, I'd appreciate it. And stay tuned for some better quality videos. Thanks for watching.